Students, in previous class we completed exercise 2.1. Today we will discuss about basic operations on sets. First basic operation is union. So union is represented by U. Union means list of all elements. List of all elements. Next one is intersection. Intersection symbol is this one. Intersection means list of common elements. Only common elements want to list out. Clear? So this is basic operations on sets. One more is how to find out the difference. Difference. So difference means we can take a minus symbol. How to take difference? Here suppose A minus B. A minus B means how to write? Here I am writing set builder form. A minus B means X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. That means మనం తీసుకునేటువంటి ఎలిమెంట్ ఏలో మాత్రమే ఉండాలి, బిలో ఉండకూడదు. సపోజ్ ఏ బి రెండిట్లో కామన్ గా ఉంటే క్యాన్సిల్ చేసేసి ఓన్లీ ఏలో మిగిలిన ఎలిమెంట్స్ మాత్రమే లిస్ట్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. సో ఇఫ్ టూ సెట్స్ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్, దట్ కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ గెట్ క్యాన్సిల్డ్. Only the remaining elements which are present in A should be written as A minus B. Suppose B minus A. B minus A means how can we write? X such that X belongs to set B and X does not belongs to set A. In AB, what are the common elements? First of all should cancel. Remaining, what are the elements remained in B? Only B we have to list out. Whatever the elements remained in A, we no need to calculate. Only B. B minus A means only B. Here A minus B means only remaining elements A we have to list out. This is finding difference. And one more small concept is disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. If two sets are having no common elements, that sets are called disjoint sets. If two sets are having no common element, then the two sets are called disjoint sets. Next concept is equal sets. A and B are said to be equal sets. Said to be equal sets if the elements which are present in A all belongs to B and the elements which are present in B all belongs to A, then only A and B are said to be equal sets. So here what we discussed up to now, basic operations on sets. Union symbol is U. Union means list of all elements. Next operation, intersection symbol. Intersection means list of common elements. Next one more concept is difference. How to find out difference? A minus B means set builder form X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. B minus A, X such that X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A. Next, disjoint sets. What are disjoint sets? If two sets are having no common element, then the two sets are said to be disjoint sets. Next, equal sets. A and B are said to be equal sets if the elements which are present in A all present in B and the elements which are present in set B all should present in A. Then only A and B sets are said to be equal sets. Next, already in previous class we discussed about null set. Null set is denoted by pi. The set which are having no elements, and it is denoted by pi. And one more name for the null set is void set. 2.2. Here it is very simple, ma. Observe in your textbooks. Here they gave two sets and they asked find out the intersections. Exercise 2.2. In first question they gave set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. And they are asking find out A intersection B and B intersection A. Are they equal? See first A intersection B. What is A? List out A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection set B. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now, before what I told, intersection means a list of common elements. Check out in both sets what are the common elements. First, 1 is common element, 2 also common, 3 is common element, and next there is no common elements in both sets. Now, what are the common in both sets? 1, 2, 3. So, list out that common elements. Just that's it. This is the answer for A intersection B. Now, coming to B intersection A. First, what is the set they gave? B. First, list out set B. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Intersection. Next A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also again list out what are the common elements. 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common. Once again list out 1, 2, 3. In question they asked is A intersection B, B intersection A or equal sets or not. Clearly here A intersection B contains 1, 2, 3. B intersection A also contains 1, 2, 3. Same number of elements and same elements. Therefore A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Coming to second question. In second question again they gave us set A is equal to 0, 2, 4. Find A intersection pi and A intersection A. Here only one set they gave, that is A. A is equal to 0, 2, 4. And they asked pi. Before also I told pi means null set. The set which are having no elements. For these two we want to find out intersection. Intersection means what we want to write? Common elements. Here to 0, 2, 4 are there, here no element. So there is no common elements. That means it is null set, which is equal to null set. Null set is denoted by pi. Next question, A intersection A, 0, 2, 4. Intersection 0, 2, 4. See, intersection means again we want to list out common elements. In both sets, 0 is common, 2 is common, 4 is common. 0, 2, 4. It is clearly A. Finally, in question they asked a comment. Comment means what we found. We founded, therefore, A intersection pi is equal to pi and A intersection A is equal to A. Clear? So, in this exercise, intersection unions, finding intersections unions are very simple. Third question, if A is equal to, they give set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and set B is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Find A minus B, B minus A. Okay, first A minus B. List out set A 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minus set B 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So what I told before, minus the difference means what I told. First of all, what are the common elements? Let's cancel it. What are the common elements? 6 is common in both the sets. And next, any common element are there in both sets? No, only 6 is common. So 6 is cancelled. Remaining elements we have to list out only in first set. We don't want these elements, leave it. In first set, what are the elements remained? What are the elements? 2, 4, 8, 10. That's it. Next, coming to second question. B minus A. What is B? First note down B. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Minus, what is A? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So once again same concept. First of all, cancel common elements. Remaining elements, what are remaining in first set? Here we don't want to list this one. Only list out these elements. What are that elements? 3, 9, 12, 15. Now observe the answers. A minus B. Set A minus B contains 2, 4, 8, 10. B minus A contains 3, 9, 12, 15. Are the two sets are equal? No. Therefore, A minus B is always not equal to B minus A. Next, fourth question. In fourth question, they are saying if A and B are two sets such that A is subset to B, then what is A union B? A subset B means the elements which are present in A all must be present in B. But what are the elements present in B? All no need to present in A. So A లో ఉన్నటువంటి అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ B లో ఉండాలి. B లో ఉన్న అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ A లో ఉండాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. B లో ఎక్స్ట్రా ఎలిమెంట్స్ కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. బట్ A లో ఉన్న అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ B లో ఉంటేనే సబ్సెట్ అని చెప్తాం. Then what is A union B? That means A union B. సో ఇక్కడే మనం క్లియర్ గా ఏం చెప్తున్నాం? A is subset to B అంటే A లో ఉన్న అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ B లో ఉంటున్నాయి. అగైన్ A union B అయితే టోటల్ గా ఏమవుతుంది? B. In fifth question, they gave set builder form. We want to write them into roster form. Then we want to find out the intersections. In fifth question, first they gave set A is equal to X such that X is a natural number. X is a natural number. So therefore, A is equal to, what they are saying, X is a natural number. Natural numbers means will start from 1 onwards. But here they not give what is the final element. Next, set B. What is the set B they gave? X is such that X is an even natural number. X is an even natural number. So B is equal to natural, even natural number. So natural numbers starts from 1 onwards, but even numbers starts from 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Because they not give a final last element, that's why it is infinite set. Next, set C. What is set C they give? X such that X is an odd natural number. Odd natural number. Therefore, C is equal to odd numbers. Odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. Next, set D. What is set D? X such that X is a prime number. X is a prime number. So list out prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? The numbers which are having only two factors, 1 and number itself are called prime numbers. So first prime number is 2, next 3, 5, 7, 11, so on. These are the prime numbers. So A, B, C, D. They gave set builder forms. We converted them into roster forms. Now we want to find out what they asked. Find out A intersection B, A intersection C, A intersection D, B intersection C, B intersection D, C intersection D. So intersection means what we want to write? List of common elements. First A intersection B. What is A? 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. What is B? Intersection B is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Intersection means a list of common elements. Common element. What are common elements here? 2 is common. Next 4 is common. Next here 5, 6 also will come. So these are all common will come because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here this is a list of odd numbers and even numbers. Even numbers, odd numbers మొత్తం వస్తాయి ఈ సెట్ లో. ఈ సెట్ లో ఓన్లీ ఈవెన్ నంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇక్కడ ఈవెన్ నంబర్స్, ఆడ్ నంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. రెండిట్లో కామన్ గా ఏమున్నాయి? ఈవెన్ నంబర్స్. సో క్లియర్ గా 2, 4, 6, 8, సో ఆన్. సో ఫైనల్ గా ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ వచ్చేటువంటి సెట్ ఏమొస్తుంది? సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఈవెన్ నంబర్స్ వస్తుంది. సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఈవెన్ నంబర్స్ అంటే మనం దేంతో ఇండికేట్ చేసాం? సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఈవెన్ నంబర్స్ ని B తో ఇండికేట్ చేసాం. దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు B. So one more example. A intersection C. One more question. A intersection C. What is A? 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Intersection. What is C? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. Now, what are the common elements in these two sets? Clearly, these all are natural numbers. Natural numbers means here, even numbers are there, odd numbers also are there. Here only odd numbers. Then what are the common elements in both? ఇందులో ఈవెన్ నంబర్స్, ఆడ్ నంబర్స్ రెండు ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడేమో ఓన్లీ ఆడ్ నంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. రెండిట్లో కామన్ గా ఉన్నది ఏంటి? ఆడ్ నంబర్స్. సో లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆడ్ నంబర్స్ అన్నది రెండిట్లో కామన్ గా ఉన్నాయి. సో లిస్ట్ అవుట్ దెమ్ విచ్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. So list of odd numbers is represented by C, which is equal to C. Like that, remaining 4 sums you try to solve. Coming to 6th question, here also simply they gave 4 sets, set A, set B, set C, set D, and they asked minus differences they asked. So previously we done how to find out difference. Before I told how to cancel common elements. First of all you should cancel common elements and list what are the elements present in first set. Next in 6th Roman they gave A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. D is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. Find out A minus B. So A minus B. First what is the set A? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Minus what is set B? Set B 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So what is the process? First of all you want to check out common elements. What are the common elements in both? 12 is common. Let cancel. Next what is common element in both? Remaining any elements are common. No common elements. So here A minus B. In first set, what are the remaining elements? That only you have to copy. 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. That's it. So one more question. B minus D. Question number 8. B minus D. What is B? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus what is D? 5, 10, 15, 20. So once again, same process. First cancel common elements. Here clearly in two sets 20 only common element. The remaining elements in first set are 4, 8, 12, 16. That's it. Here what are the elements remain? We don't want to copy. Leave them. Just in first set only has to write. That's it. So like this remaining sums you can solve. In 6th Roman it is very simple questions you can solve. Coming to 7th Roman. State whether each of the following statement is true or false. Justify your answers. Here they give some statements. You want to justify them. Either they are true or false. 7th Roman. First question. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6 are disjoint sets. So this statement they given, either it is true or false we want to justify. 3, 4, 5, 3, 6 are disjoint sets. What is the definition of disjoint sets? If two sets are having no common element, then the two sets are said to be disjoint sets. Observe here, is any common element? Yes, here one common element is there. But they are saying these two are disjoint sets. But here they are having common element. Therefore, this statement is wrong. Since both sets contains common element. That also we can copy. Since both sets having common element. Common element or 3 is common element in both sets. Any statement you can write. Disjoint sets means in the two sets common element should not present, but here common element is there. That's why these two sets are not disjoint sets. Second one. In second statement what they said? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U and A, B, C, D are disjoint sets. A, E, I, O, U, A, B, C, D are disjoint sets. Again check out. Here A is common. Therefore this is also false. Since what you will write? Since both sets are having A as common element or A is common element in both sets. That's why these two sets are not disjoint sets, but they give these two are disjoint. That's why this statement is false. Coming to third one. What is the third question? 2, 6, 10, 14 and 3, 7, 11, 15 are disjoint. So here complete questions they gave regarding disjoint sets. Disjoint sets means simply you have to check out common elements are there or not. If common elements, they are not disjoint sets. If there is no common element, then two sets are said to be disjoint sets. Again here check out, is there any common element? No, there is no common element. Therefore this statement is true. Coming to last question, they gave two sets 2, 6, 10 and 3, 7, 11 are disjoint sets. Yes, this is also correct since there is no common elements. రెండిట్లో కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఏది లేదు. సో ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ కూడా ట్రూ. లాస్ట్ రోమన్ కంప్లీట్ డిస్జాయింట్ సెట్స్ గురించి ఇచ్చారు. వెరీ సింపుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్. I think all are understood this exercise. Students, if you understand this exercise properly, try to practice. Immediately after completion of the exercise, practice. Then only you can learn something.